Why are so many people switching from bulky lights to Reed lights? Hi everyone, I'm Becky and this is the SolarCentre, where solar lighting actually works. This is everything you need to know about the Radlett Reed Light. Let's get into it. The Radlett Reed Light comes as a set of two and is super easy to set up. Let's open the box and find out. So inside the box we've got the instructions, the lights, the stainless steel poles, and the two stakes. First thing to do is to remove the paper coverings from the lights. All of the parts just slot into each other really easily, like so. And you have your light. Once you've put your lights together, you just need to make sure you flip the on switch so the lights are turned on. Depending on what season it is, you may need to soften the soil with water before staking these lights into the ground. Be sure not to force the stakes in, as you don't want to damage them. These lights have an integrated solar panel built in, which has a 7-hour timer. It also has a power saving mode to ensure efficient and long-lasting performance. These lights offer dusk till dawn illumination. If I cover the solar panel, it tricks the lights into thinking it's nighttime and they turn on. These lights emit a lovely warm glow and are perfect for lighting your pathways or your flower beds or even borders. The lights are 80 centimeters tall and wire free, making it super easy to install. If you're interested in these elongated Reed inspired lights, then head to the solarcentre.co.uk. They really do have an elegant silhouette that complements both natural and contemporary environments. If you have any questions about this product, please do leave a comment below. Be sure to like and subscribe to the channel, it makes all the difference. Thanks so much for watching and we'll see you in the next one.